Dongguan Tangxia Shuangxin Hardware Products Factory, established in the year of 2007. We have a wide range of products. Over 6 years, specialized in high-precision hardware parts, stamping components, auto lathe, and CNC lathe parts, CNC milling parts, springs, shafts, screw. We are offering OEM service for global customers. Also can make designs to follow your ideas, product requirements. The factory covers 8,500 meters square, with more than 150 staffs. Our current production capacity is around 20 million pieces per month. Operating efficient production management system, our delivery keeps improving. Last year, timely delivery rate reaches at 95%, satisfied the customers. We have specialized QC to check the product's quality according to different customer. IQC to check the dimensions and surface of the incoming material. PQC to inspect full course during the processing. And FQC to inspect all the plating products from outside and make 100% inspection before shipping. Products are distributed to the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany, Russia, Japan, Australia, Sweden, Israel, Hong Kong, and many other Southeast Asia countries. The selling network now is spreading all over the world. After-sale service. We promise that all the parts will be made as per your drawings or size requirement. Any discrepancies due to our wrong production, we will take responsible for that. Remake the order or return the payment. We are warmly welcome to your any business.